Hydraulic Fracturing by Reed Anderson, Lindsey Brandt, and Matt Septer.
Fracking is the process of injecting a mixture of sand and water into fissures of rock that contain natural gas in order to extract natural gas. These natural gases are used for electrical power and energy. Fractures are cracks in the rock layer that contain natural gas. It is from these cracks that the natural gas is obtained.
The process of fracking starts with a drilling well that passes through the aquifer layer. A steel tube called a surface casing is put inside the well. Cement is then put inside the well and outside the casing. It is then pressure tested to ensure hydrocarbons and other fluids don't seep into water supplies. Next, it is drilled further and more cement and casings are applied as it goes deeper. About 500 feet above the hydrocarbon shale formation, a curved well is drilled horizontal to the shale containing the gas. A perforating tool is used to create holes in the barrier, allowing hydrocarbons to go into the well. Finally, water and sand are pumped into fractures to extract the natural gas. The drilling process takes approximately 2 to 3 months overall, while the actual fracking process only takes a few days. This entire process collects between 20 to 40 years worth of energy.
This method of extracting natural gases was first used all the way back in 1947 through a well in the Hugoton gas field located in Kansas. This first experiment was not very effective, but over the years the process became refined and gases are now more easily extracted, and there are more safety precautions practiced today. The following flowchart demonstrates the distribution of the energy from underground into the home. First, water is pumped out of the ground into a well. This water, which contains the natural gases, is stored in an open pit, where it is later stored in trucks which take the gas from the treatment center and brought to the pipelines that connect to people's homes. This gas is pumped through the pipeline and is used to power homes all across the country.
Hydraulic fracturing is a proven technological advancement which allows producers to safely recover natural gas and oil from deep shale formations. This technology has the potential to not only dramatically reduce our reliance on foreign fuel imports, but also to significantly reduce our national carbon dioxide emissions and accelerate our transition to a carbon-light environment. Simply put, deep shale gas and oil formation development is critical to America's energy needs and economic renewal. The following picture provides a more in-depth description of how hydraulic fracturing works.
Fracking is popular among energy businesses who see this method of energy extraction as a fast and easy way to obtain energy. However, many people across the country are against hydraulic fracturing for several different reasons. In some cases, there are gases which contaminate people's water supplies. Another issue that causes people to feel such resentment towards fracking is that it uses a vast quantity of water, and a large percentage of the gases contaminates the air. Conservationists believe that the amount of CO2 that is released from the air from fracking is going to eventually affect the people in the homes who are breathing in the toxic airs around the wells. Although there are a lot of issues with hydraulic fracturing, this picture clearly shows that fracking is still widely used all across the world.
Although there are many energy benefits to fracking, there are also many environmental hazards, such as the release of CO2 or destruction of the land. Although it is hazardous, there have been many safety initiatives taken, and we believe that over the years, the process of fracking may improve, causing the positives to outweigh the negatives.